Hello lovelies, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle and I create beauty and makeup content for women over 40. Whether it's hair, beauty, makeup, or fashion, I just love creating content and tutorials for you guys. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, it would be awesome if you could subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and let's get into what we're doing today. It's mid-March. I feel like from now until mid-April, this is like the worst of how my skin looks. It is the ending of winter. We're like totally depleted of vitamin D and sunlight and all of it, fresh air. So I just feel so blah. So I wanted to do a makeup tutorial just to give the skin a nice, hydrated, healthy glow. So I'm going to show you guys some products and how I've been layering them to achieve that look. Start with the skin prep. I'm going to go in with my facial spray with aloe, sage, and orange blossom. This really kind of sets the canvas of my skin for feeling nice and hydrated and soft. Next, I'm going to go in with my Rhode Glazing Milk Eva. As I have said in previous videos, I feel like this really helps with the creping around my mouth and just any kind of light wrinkling. I feel like it really kind of just plumps the skin for the day and gives a nice base for your makeup. Underneath my eyes, I'm going to go in with my Ingredients Caffeine Under Eye Solution. So this helps reduce the appearance of dark circles and under eye puffiness. So we'll just lightly put that around the under eye and on top of my lids. Just pat it really softly around your eyes. For my foundation, I have come back to this one. I haven't used it in a long time, but recently I just wanted to try it out again and see if I felt differently about it. And I think the way I prep my skin really helped me with it. So we're gonna go in with the Unreal Skin Sheer Glow Tint Hydrating Foundation Stick from Charlotte Tilbury. I have this in the shade 6 medium, and this really just gives life to the skin. At first I thought it was almost too shiny for my mature skin, like it was showing off any fine lines and wrinkles a little bit more, but after prepping my skin the way that I do, I feel like this kind of just sets really nicely into the skin and just adds to that hydrated look. Just gonna blend it out with my BK Beauty 101 brush. I think using a brush too over just maybe my fingertips helps kind of pick up some of the product a little bit more and just distribute it more evenly over the skin. All right, so off camera, I just filled in my brows. If you guys want to see how I do my brows, I have a few videos up on my channel about that as well. All right, now we're gonna add even more glow and go in with the Golden Glow Drops from Quo Beauty. So with peptides and squalene, I really love this too. It is not too much. It is not too iridescent or too like glittery looking. It just blends really nicely in the skin. So I'm just using my fingertip and I'm just going to place them up on to my cheekbones, a little bit on my forehead. I'm also going to go right into the hollows of my eyes right here and just add a little bit of reflectiveness just right in there. When we put the concealer over, that'll just help kind of give that under eye a little bit more of a hydrated look. This almost feels just like skincare too, going on the skin rather than a highlighter or makeup. I'm just going to contour my nose. I do this every day, whether I'm wearing super natural makeup or a little bit more of a glam. I'm always contouring my nose. I feel like it does like the biggest change on this face, I guess. That and brows and some nose contour, and then I feel like that much prettier. So just go in and give a little highlight. That was too much. Now for some warmth to the skin, I'm gonna go with my Essence Drop of Sunshine Bronzing Drops, hydrating and caring. Caring for our skin. Oops. Again, I'm just gonna, I think I'm running low on this. Pop a couple drops up on the cheekbones, up on the forehead, and on my neck. We're just gonna blend that out. You can even pat your eyes a little bit, just to add a little bronze on there too. I just want a little subtle hint of blush, so I'm gonna go in with Cheeky from Merit Beauty. And this one I like because it matches my lip tone, so I like to kind of do a monochromatic look and go in with Cheeky on my lips as well. And this is a product that you can kind of just layer and build up, so I'm just going to stay really light with it and not layer too much on the skin. Now I'm going to go in with my Merit Bounce Day Glow Highlighting Balm and just add a touch of that right up on the cheekbone. And also just kind of in a similar spot that I put the glow drops. So just right in this area here. I want it to look hydrated. Now for my inner corners, I am gonna go in with my e.l.f. Putty Color Correcting Eye Brightener. I have been circling back to this again and enjoy using it right in the inner corners where I have those darker blue and purple tones and shadows. I'm gonna contour around my lips with my Quo Beauty Lip Contour Crown. Don't sleep on Quo. If you are in Canada, Quo knows beauty. Like, I slept on them forever. And every product that I've tried so far, I've thoroughly enjoyed. So we're just gonna kind of line and blend just to create a subtle shadow around my lips that's just going to make them look fuller. And I'm just obsessed with this lip stain from them. I think I mentioned them in every makeup video for the past, I don't know, couple months. Is the lip liner stain in the shade Cool Neutral. This matches the shade of my lips so well. It's fairly subtle. I don't know if I had one that doesn't have a huge amount of, not a huge amount, but the product might be drying up a bit, but it's just enough to give my lips a subtle hint of color, and just, you can overline them a little bit and it looks really natural and it looks like your natural lip line, and they just, again, look fuller. I'm gonna pop a little bit of Cheeky as well on them so they look a little healthier. They're looking a little dehydrated. Just gonna go over them with my Image Skincare Hermetic Lip Balancing Enhancement Complex, which is just a great all day, every day hydrating lip treatment. I just put on a little bit of mascara. One thing I forgot to do near the beginning, which I also enjoy doing all the time, is taking my CoverGirl True Blend Skin Enhancer Contour Balm, and I'll just go in with my finger, and instead of kind of doing too much of a contour, I just go right back near my ear and just kind of blend this up around my cheekbone. And I usually do it after my bronzer, so it's fine that we're doing it now, and it just extends that cheekbone and gives a little bit more lift without looking too harsh. And with your fingertips, you just have that little bit more of precision and control as to where you want the product to go. So I'm just kind of looking for that dip in the cheekbone. And just patting it into the skin makes it look a lot more natural. All right, this is the final look. Give you just a little bit more of a close-up look of this hydrated, glowy makeup look for more mature skin, especially as we're in these yucky parts of spring. So go back to the beginning and check out how I look. It's such a difference. It's subtle, it looks natural, but it just gives the skin a lot more life. So thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys again soon.